Hello everybody, my name is Renato Francia and you're tuning in to the creative process. Now, I just want to give you something that I'm very excited to share with you. Like this is something that is amazing. This is called LMS and this is a music producing tool software for free. And this just blows my mind that we have something like this for free. It's on version 1.2, but it's still like it has all the tools that you need in order to become a music producer for free. All the fancy things, all the fancy tools that you need, the synthesizer, all that kind of stuff are already included. So if you are a music producer or if you are actually into code and music producing, this is something right up your alley. And thing is, like, it's also included on Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm running this right now on Windows. I'm sorry, I'm actually running this on Ubuntu, and this is how it looks like. You have all the tools included, you have all the bass, all the kind of stuff. You have demos already included, tutorials can help you, and this is the most part, this is the thing that just also, like, it's amazing that the community is such a good sport that it will give you tools, projects, things that could inspire you to create your own thing. So take a look at LMMS. It's a great thing to get started in music producing, and let's go to the next one. So the next thing is gonna be the programmer of the day, which will go to a dear person that I have to admit it. This guy taught me most of the stuff that I know from JavaScript. From the single day that I started JavaScript, I bought one of his courses a long time ago, back in 2015, and taught me just everything from that part and on. And now I'm seeing that he just puts content out there, quality content. So give a shout out to, give a love actually to as well to Brad Traversy. He's from Traversy Media. He has been creating content, like, I mean, for 5 years now. So that's like 2015, right up my alley. So he has created stuff for like Node.js, from PHP, Python. He can teach you stuff from like basic HTML and CSS into creating full-fledged apps that you can actually put in your portfolio if you're a developer. Also, please take a look at his channel, like Traversy Media. He has all these courses, I mean, for free. It's ridiculous the amount of effort he actually gave to everything. He also gives something like talks like overwhelmed with web development technology, overwhelmed with web development technology, and avoid things as developers. So things like could be actually personal, but as well things that are, dedicated. This is guys. I mean, everyone, creatives. These tools. These videos can help you upgrade, and even if you're not a developer and you just want to show and learn and get your wet feet, just get your feet wet, then definitely take a look at this, or just give it if you have a friend that wants to become a developer, just give some love to Brad Traversy and Traversy Media. Please go to this channel, subscribe, give some thumbs up, and definitely become that creative being with technology. So the next story, it's going to be an article that I saw. It's from Florian Pop, and it's called the 100 Days, 100 Projects Challenge. Now, this is something that it's actually inspired on the 100 Days of Code, where you just code for every single day for 100 days. But now you're just making projects, which I consider mind-blowing. How can you create a whole project in a whole day? But this guy creates like 100 days, 100 codes, 100 things in just 100 days. He has a bunch of rules. You can actually take a look and read them. But this is the beauty about this thing, creatives, is that you can actually use them for everything you want. You want to learn how to draw, do 100 days, follow the rules, make your own rules, and put it out there. It takes just 21 days to become good at something. It takes 10,000 hours to become a master in something. But if you do 100 days, you're definitely getting closer to that deal. So if you guys want to start a blog, you guys want to start learning how to code, please do this challenge, because it's going to help you a lot. Dedicate at least 1 hour a day. So props to Florian for actually putting this stuff. It's amazing. And now a final offer. And I'm really excited about you guys, because it's a surprise. It gives you like a $1,200 value for free. And that is the Data Science Cognitive class of IBM. And these courses, are amazing. They actually give you give you benefits on how to learn stuff for machine learning, for data science, and give you that business experience, but also giving you the tools of how to actually learn and use them. You have your paths, you can create it. It's basically like you have those platforms where you play how to use them. Well, you get them for free right here. And this is actually, and here's the kicker: if you sign up and you get all the courses right here, you get a 1,200 US value bonus on IBM Cloud Offer. It's technically getting paid to actually use this thing, so you don't have to worry about buying machines if you want to get into this field. You just get them from the get-go, and that is amazing. Thank you very much. By the way, I'm not being sponsored by IBM, but I just think this is something that it's quite amazing, that I think you guys will have a great value out of it. So thank you very much for watching this. My name is Mero Francia, and I thank you for actually watching all the creative process. Now, one last message that I want to give you guys is that please, if you have something to show up, if you have something to you want to put as your work, please actually just send me a message. I'll put it in the comments below so I can review them and give you props. If you think there's a developer or an artist or someone creative that you think they deserve to have more, they deserve to get their work out there, please put them in the comments below and I'll definitely give a shout out. Much love to you creatives, and I'll see you next time.